Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam 3rd June 2025 Tuesday Vishwasunama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Vasanta Ridu Vaigashi Masam Rishabha Masam Shukla Paksham Ashtami up to 2:06 a.m. next night. Then Navami Bhauma Vasaram Nakshatram Pura Nakshatram, then Uttiran Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Gulyagalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Chandrashtam for Makara Rashi Shulam North. Prayachitam Milk Shraddha Tithi Ashtami.